Troubleshooting JLab Earbuds that won't turn on.
Hello everyone. Today, we are going to troubleshoot a common issue with JLab earbuds not turning on. This tutorial will guide you through a series of steps to help you identify the problem and possibly fix it without needing professional help.
Is your earbud battery charged?
The first thing to check is whether your earbuds are charged. JLab earbuds have a LED light that indicates if they're charging or not. If there is no light, it might be because your earbuds are out of power. Charge your earbuds in the case for at least 2 hours. If the earbuds do not show any signs of charging, try a different charging cable or charging port to rule out the possibility of those being faulty.
Have you tried resetting your earbuds?
If charging doesn't seem to be the issue, the next step is to reset your earbuds. Sometimes a simple reset can fix any minor glitches that may prevent your earbuds from turning on. For a factory reset, place the earbuds in the charging case and then press and hold the charging case button for a few seconds until the LED lights blink. Remove the earbuds from the case, and they should automatically turn on. If they don't, try to manually turn them on.
Are your earbuds clean?
Another often overlooked factor could be the cleanliness of your earbuds. Earwax, dust, or other debris can prevent your earbuds from functioning properly. Clean your earbuds carefully with a soft, dry cloth. Use a toothpick or similar tool to gently remove any visible debris from the earbud ports. Warning: be careful not to damage the earbud's components while cleaning.
Is it a pairing issue?
Sometimes, your earbuds might not turn on because they are experiencing issues with Bluetooth pairing. Try to remove or forget the earbuds from your device's Bluetooth list, then pair them again. If this doesn't work, try to pair your earbuds with a different device to check if the problem is with your device's Bluetooth and not the earbuds. If none of these troubleshooting tips work, your JLab earbuds might have a more serious issue that needs professional attention. In that case, contact JLab customer service for further assistance. We hope you found this video helpful and you are able to resolve your earbud issues. Thanks for watching, and remember to take good care of your devices.